Welcome to your waterfront getaway on beautiful Williams Lake, where serenity meets adventure. This cottage is in a prime location, just a couple of hours from the GTA or Kitchener-Waterloo, where you get to enjoy all this area has to offer. Plus, of course, the water activities on the lake. My favorite features of this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom waterfront cottage are: the property has a nice, gradual, clean entrance into the lake, which is great for the young ones to play in the water. You have your own boat ramp to launch your own watercraft, plus a dock with slips, plus it's the perfect platform to enjoy the waterfront view. And my special feature that I like about this cottage is the pillow, especially to watch the morning sunrises, or it would be great for entertaining.
Isn't this a great way to start the day? I'm here in the pergola on the deck, and I've got a beautiful view of the water. I can hear the birds chirping. What a way to wake up in the morning and have my morning coffee.
The property has a nice deep lot, providing lots of space to play and relax. I also like the large garage for all your waterfront accessories, or for storage space, or for your vehicle. And the bonus is you have a bunkie for additional sleeping space. So, this property is perfect if you're looking to enjoy your time at the lake. So for more information, click the link or contact us at info@cnprealty.ca.